Let me show you how you guys can create yourself a Notion template using ChatGPT. So follow this. Over here, you want to write, create me a Notion template that does this job. Now over here, after this, I've written all this text. Now this is for my specific work, all right? In this place, you need to enter whatever thing you want. So over here, just create me a Notion template, and after that, whatever type of template you want, enter that. And then over here at the bottom, design and thing needed. You need to enter this, and after this, whatever thing I've entered, do not copy it. Write whatever thing you want. So I want to create a Notion template that does stores my YouTube video, and it has a space where I can upload my script, my thumbnail concept, and everything. After you write this, you give the data of whatever you want. At the bottom, you want to write this. If there is any other question you want to ask me before you create the template, ask me. So you can improve the template, and just bang, paste it. And if there's any question it needs to ask, it's going to ask. Look at this, it's asking me the question. Now once I provide answer to all this question, it'll create me the template and send it to me. It'll upload it here. I need to just download it and give it to basically Notion, or upload it in Notion for it to be used. That's how you guys can do it. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.